Mondays and Fridays, we carve out 10 minutes or so to focus our mindset on what matters. I'm Sarah Parker Wolf, and you're listening to the Focused Intention Podcast. Thanks for joining me. This is Season 5, and we are focusing in on our connection to nature. Hey everyone, I hope you had a great week. Thanks so much for being here today. We are in Season 5, so each week we work with a quote about nature to inspire our reflections, intentions, and to get us focused on what matters. And before we jump in today, I am so excited that Monday, January 19th, my new book will be available. Daily Intentions for Parents of Kids on the Autism Spectrum. It is part reflections, part intentions, and part journal, and it's very near and dear to my heart. And I am very excited to share it with everyone who lives in that world like I do. It will be on Amazon on Monday, January 19th, or on my website, focusedintentionlife.com. Okay, back to this week's quote. Our quote this week is from Radhanath Swami, a teacher, author, and activist. He wrote, "Mother Nature is always speaking. She speaks in a language understood within the peaceful mind of the sincere observer." I've been trying to remember. When I was a kid, there were things that I liked about nature. I liked Girl Scout camp in the woods. I liked hikes and sledding. I liked riding my bike outside. I liked flowers and picking cherries from the tree in my grandma's backyard or green beans in my mom's garden. And I hated weeding and I hated bugs. I liked outside, but I wouldn't say that I was a true nature lover. Not yet. I think it wasn't until I started really investigating and practicing mindfulness, which was maybe 10 years ago now, that I began to find awe and wonder in nature. Truly find awe and wonder in nature. Taking time to quiet ourselves is really quite difficult, especially if you are working or you have kids or other caretaking needs and so many things vying for our attention. The distractions of our phones or tablets, a gazillion shows or movies to stream at any time we want. Slowing down, being present and listening, connecting for a conversation with Mother Nature that involves a language very different than that we use with each other. That can be a challenge, but it is also a gift, a humbling gift, an inspiring gift, a gift we should give ourselves today. Okay, everybody, you can take me with you as a guide if you wish, but you can certainly do this on your own too. You got to take it outside. If it's cold, bundle up. It is only for a few minutes. And if you want me to come with you, just pause here and get yourself ready and come back and let's go. Mother Nature is always speaking. She speaks in a language understood within the peaceful mind of the sincere observer. Radhanath Swami. All right, today there's no music here because we want to use all of our senses in this connection to Mother Nature. So we're going to start the way we always do and take a nice breath in. Maybe straighten up a little bit if you're standing or sitting. And on the exhale, see if there's anything to loosen up so that we can find a place where we feel at ease, just for the next few moments. And we find the natural rhythm of our breath, the in and the out. Since you're outside, maybe the air feels colder than usual or warmer than usual, depending on where you are. Maybe you are feeling like it's fresher air, nicer air, invigorating air, and just feeling it move through your system, in through your nose or mouth, the full journey to raise your chest and your belly, and then back out again. And just taking a moment now to focus on the breath. And now we take some time to get ourselves quiet and just observe what is there in front of us in nature at this moment, to find that connection, to find that language of Mother Nature. And so we begin with what we see, taking a moment to take in the beauty and awe and wonder that you can see around you. And now listening to what you might hear around you that Mother Nature is giving to you. The sounds, maybe it sounds like music, the music of Mother Nature. See if you can pick out the natural sounds, even if you are in a more urban environment. And take a nice breath in through your nose and see what smells are around you. See if you can pick out which ones are natural in nature versus those that are more human created. And take a moment to connect with that. And stopping now and noticing if there's any taste. Because remember, you are nature as well. What taste can you connect to in your mouth at this time? And finally, what do you feel? What are you standing on? What could you feel on your skin? Maybe there's wind on your cheeks, or cold, or warmth, or sunshine. Maybe there's a little rain or snow coming down. Connect now and notice and observe with an open mind and heart the feelings that you have connecting to nature. And now the inner feelings that it gives you. Just take a moment, maybe to show some gratitude or feel some gratitude about this connection with Mother Nature. Maybe thinking about what it was that you experienced in this short period of time that made you feel like you were in conversation with nature, made the connection for you. And just think about that for a moment and how it made you feel. Mother Nature is always speaking. She speaks in a language understood within the peaceful mind of the sincere observer. Radhanath Swami. Thanks so much for joining me here today on the Focused Intention podcast. If you're enjoying it, please subscribe or follow us on your favorite podcast app. And if you get a chance to leave a rating or a review or to tell a friend, that is very much appreciated. Thank you. And a reminder that on Monday, January 19th, my new book is available on my website, focusedintentionlife.com. Or on Amazon. It's called Daily Intentions for Parents of Kids on the Autism Spectrum, if that describes you. I hope you'll check it out. And also check out that focus word of the day for a daily dose of focusing in on what matters and intention. You can find that at focusedintentionlife.com or at Focused Intention Life on Instagram or on the podcast YouTube channel. And on my website again, you can also check out my other books, or you can find those on Amazon. Daily Intentions for the Classroom Teacher and Focused Intention, 101 Reflections and Intentions to get you focused on what matters. That was a lot. I hope that you get out and enjoy nature and really connect with Mother Nature this week. Thanks for sharing your time with me today. Let's go out, live with intention, love like crazy, keep that conversation with Mother Nature going, and have a great